Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jesslyn. In today's video, I'm here to show you guys how to make affirmation cards using Canva and ChatGPT. Guys, this is one of the easiest things that you'll ever do as a digital product. It's so quick, it's so easy, and like I said, it doesn't require much work. And the thing is, you don't even have to come up with a phrase by yourself because we're gonna use AI, ChatGPT to help you guys. Okay? And these cards, you could sell them as digital products. You could sell them as printable products on Etsy, or you could sell them as physical products for anybody who wants to who's interested in shipping items and creating items and all that stuff. You could do whatever you want with these cards, okay? And it's gonna be the easiest thing, one of the easiest digital products you'll ever create. So let's get right into the video. Hi guys, so now you guys are on my screen. We're going to get right into the video. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to Canva. We're going to create our custom size. You could always go to Google to see which size that you guys want. But for me, I already know what size I want. So it's going to be 4x6, okay? So we're going to click 4x6 and then you're going to click on create new design. Once you create new design, you're going to be taken here, okay? So you're going to be taken on a blank page, nothing on it, nothing at all. So for me, I went ahead and I did my background picture first. So that way we don't take too much time and stuff. But you're going to come up with a blank new page, nothing at all, okay? So what you're going to do is you're gonna go to elements, and then you're gonna click whatever little design that you want. Let's say that you want to do weight loss, so whatever little image that you want, that you could just go to elements and find that image here. For example, you see all the things that I've recently used. But if you want to do weight loss, if you want to do self-love, there's so many other things that you could do. So for example, let's just say if I'm interested in doing self-love, elements, self-love, there's so many graphics, cute images that you could use on your affirmation cards. But for today, for the purpose of this video, my example is coming up with Christian affirmation cards for women who are going through a hard time right now, because I understand, because I'm going through a hard time right now, and I'm gonna use these myself. So these affirmation cards are there for women who are going through it, who needs the Lord, who needs God to give them strength, things like that. You know what I'm saying? It could be, just make it fit whatever niche that you want. For me, this is what I'm going to do for the purpose of this video, okay? So I went ahead and I created a basic card, a basic design, which is I went to elements and I clicked on Jesus and Christian. We could do this right here, where, and then we could do edit image. For here, you could put the transparency very, very pale, you can barely see it, and then you could just duplicate it all over the page. I could do that, just like this, just like that. You duplicate it all over the page, and you make little cute designs, whatever you guys like, whatever you guys prefer. But for now, we're gonna go with this, okay? So now that we have this, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go on ChatGPT, because that's where we're going to get our phrases from. That's where we're going to get the things from. So whatever you ask ChatGPT will get it done for you. So for example, I went to ChatGPT, and the thing I asked is to come up with 20 Bible quotes that can help women overcome their struggle, and for ChatGPT to make it encouraging and uplifting for them to repeat it to themselves every single day. So that's what I asked ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me exactly what I wanted. Obviously, if you don't like what ChatGPT gives you, you can always change it. You could always ask for more things or make it better, things like that. With ChatGPT, whatever you ask for, it will give you, okay? And you don't have to you don't have to go through the Bible and try to find a specific quote. You don't have to do all that. It just makes it easy for you in less than a minute, okay? The first thing that you're gonna do is, you see that first one right there, you're gonna copy this one. So you could just click Control C, which is you copy, and then you go on your design, you go on text, then you're gonna add subheading, and then you just paste it right there, which is Control V. For me, I want it to be the verse right here, and then the actual, I'm sorry, the chapter in the book right here, and then the actual verse at the bottom, okay? So I'm gonna try to center it in right there. I like the way it looks. And obviously you can always change the font. How do you change the font? You just click on the writing and you change you change it to whatever font you want. For me, I want Laura. That's one of my favorite fonts, and that's it. That's all you do, okay? So that's one of them. Obviously, you don't have to worry about doing like trying to go back and forth 20 and then like to do it 20 times. So I'm going to show you guys a trick so you could get it done the easiest way, fastest way as possible. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on apps. If you guys don't see bulk create at the bottom right here on your Canva, you're going to go on apps, you're going to type bulk create, and you're going to click on bulk create that you see right here, okay? So then when you click on bulk create, you're going to enter data manually, okay? Now, when you get to this page, you're going to have two tables. This row right here, you're going to delete. So delete column. And then this column right here, you're going to go back on ChatGPT. You're going to copy and paste all 20 quotes that you get from ChatGPT, or 30 or 40 or 50, whichever amount that you have. You're going to go right here and you're going to paste it. Okay, after we enter the data manually, we're going to click on done. And after we click on done, we're going to go on here. We're going to click connect data. And then this is the thing that because I didn't name it, so it just names itself. So we're going to click on the thing that we just did. We're going to click continue and generate 20 designs. And it's going to come up with 20 designs. Okay, so every single page will have the quote that you want it to have. And yes, it's 20 of them, because when we look at here from the grid view, you're able to see all 20 of them. And personally, I think these are very, very cute. You could sell these on Etsy. You could sell these on Stan Store, whichever you prefer, okay? So now I'm going to try to do it again. That way you guys can understand what I'm doing, okay? So now we're going to go to ChatGPT. So we're going to start over again. I'm sorry. We're going to go to Canva, create new design, which is a 4x6 design, or you could choose whichever other sizes that you want. We're going to go to elements. We're going to choose whatever. Let's say that we want to do self-love. So we're going to do self-love. We look at whatever graphic that we want. Let's say that I like this right here, and like this is very cute. I like this one. Okay. And just in case if you guys don't want to make these and you want them or you want to edit them, I'm going to have the link for them down in the description below. That way you don't have to worry about doing it all over again. So for example, like this is like the image that I want. Let's say that if I want to use the same color, I could just go right here and then like copy the color that I want and then just paste it right here. And then Control V and boom. Okay. So after we do this right here, we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to tell ChatGPT to come up with 20 self-love quotes that could help women overcome their struggle. This on a third. Okay. So I'm just going to replace the Bible with self-love. Okay. And then we're going to wait for ChatGPT to come up with all 20 of them. Okay. So once ChatGPT have come up with all 20 of them, what you're going to do is copy all of this. All 20. Copy, which is Control C. You're going to go back to your design. You're going to go on text, add subheading. And then from there, you're going to go on bulk create, enter data manually. We're going to delete this column right here. We're going to paste everything that we have right here. We're going to click on done. And then connect data. But before we do that, let's just put this, like, let's just center this real quick. Like, let's just put this in the position that we want it to be. Connect data. And and then we're going to change the font real quick. Connect data, the name of the thing, continue, generate 20 designs, and boom. And that's it. Every single one of them is the same font. Every single one of them is at the same position that you want it to be in. And yes, it's 20. We just go and grid view and you're able to see all 20 of them right here. Okay. And if you guys want this as well, It's going to be down in the description below. You guys could get this one or the other one, whichever you guys prefer. You guys could edit it if you guys don't want to make it from scratch. And that's about it. Like, it's pretty simple. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I'm happy to help you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video because it helps so much with the algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.